Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I want to pull a small video out before Vlogmas start. Explain to y'all what Vlogmas is and what you're going to expect. I give y'all a little preview other day when I was talking about it, but this video is going to be dedicated to Vlogmas, and I'm going to tell you everything that I'm going to be cooking uh, for Vlogmas this month, next month. This video is going to be Thursday, November the 30th. This is the last of the month. Vlogmas starts tomorrow. What is Vlogmas? Vlogmas is something I started personally 3 years ago, but I don't know how long Vlogmas has been going on. But Vlogmas is half bloggers Christmas. That's how you get Vlogmas. And what mostly YouTubers, they put a video out every day, all the way up to the December the 25th. Some people started before then, but traditionally it's supposed to be December the 1st to December the 25th. It's going to be 25 days of videos, straight videos. My channel, you're going to get 25 days of cooking videos, which is very, very, very difficult to do and very challenging, but I'm going to do it. I did it the last 2 years, and this year is not going to be no different. I can tell you exactly what I'm going to do in order how I'm going to do it. Y'all know how organized I am. Do this. Some YouTubers, they just put out, might cook sometimes. If they cooking channels, it might cook sometime on the channel. It might just be something. Me, I dedicate these 25 days of Christmas, Vlogmas, to cooking videos. It's so fun, y'all. I love it. That's why I got my chef jacket on. That's now. Then we're gonna talk about something there. This not gonna be no old school soul food, even though I'm gonna call it old school so you can find it later on better. But we gonna get. I want y'all to start thinking outside the box this month. I'm gonna have some old school soul food in there, wiggled in there, but most of this stuff gonna be very, very fancy, delicate, decadent type entrees, dessert, vegetables, starches, salads. I want you to kind of think outside the box and be do something different. And my recipes, most of them, 75% of them gonna be very, very easy. But it's gonna be two or three of them in there. It's gonna take you a little bit of, watching the video two or three times to get it right. And I do that on purpose to kind of, show y'all a little different thing and kind of learn a little bit. And things I've learned throughout my career. I don't just say I'm a chef just to say I'm a chef. I'm an actual chef, y'all. Soul food is one thing, but actually getting there doing some fancy, very expensive, high class meals, I can do it with my eyes closed. I did it for over 40 years of my life, cooking fancy, what they call fancy foods. Not just soul food, what you get every day. I can do it every, like I told y'all when we was doing my campaign this summer trying to get favorite chef. There's no weakness in my game. I can do everything from salad to dessert. Any type, any kind it is, I can do it. I'm not saying it to brag. I'm just telling you, I've been cooking that long. There's no weakness in my game of what I can and cannot do when you get in the kitchen. And that's very valuable as when you can call yourself a chef. Some people can just bake. Some people can just grill. Some people can just do salads. Some people can just do sauces. I can do all of it from the beginning to the end. I have no weakness in my game. So anyway, that's what Vlogmas is going to be for the next 25 days. Starting tomorrow with shrimp bisque uncroute. We're going to get that Friday morning. You're going to get some shrimp bisque. I'm going to show you how to do classical shrimp bisque Friday morning. Get ready. It's going to be seafood every Friday. So you're going to get shrimp bisque right off the bat. It's going to take, this process takes about 2 hours to make good shrimp bisque. But if you ever tasted shrimp, lobster, crab bisque, same concept, same procedure, it's absolutely amazing. So let me go down the list here. Shrimp bisque I already told you about. I got eggnog pie coming up. We're going to do regular spaghetti meat sauce coming up. I know it's not a fancy. Like I said, I'm going to just throw some regular stuff in there on y'all some days. Because Chef Jeffrey be tired some days, but I'm going to get a video out to you. But I'm going to do some regular spaghetti with some meat sauce, mix it all up together, put it on the plate with some garlic bread. Can't get no better than that. That's coming up. I got corn casserole, corn pudding, same thing. I got my Christmas cookies. We had M&Ms, pecans in it, butterscotch chip. I just call it my regular traditional Christmas cookie. I'm gonna do a souffle. I don't know if I'm gonna do a regular vanilla lemon souffle or I'm gonna do a savory souffle. I'm still trying to comprehend which kind I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna show y'all how to do a souffle like I do every year. Some people are intimidated by souffles. Souffles are very, very simple, very, very easy. I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm gonna do my lemon a game hen in the cast iron skillet with the root vegetables, you know, the parsnips and the rutabagas and the turnips and carrots, root vegetables, you know, in the fall vegetables. I'll put that all in the cast iron skillet with some lemon wedges and some and a game hen and roast that in the oven. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna show y'all that one. I'm gonna do my deep dish apple pie. Real apple pie, where you caramelize those apples, get a nice caramelization on them and sugar and really, really good. Then you put them in the pie dough and cook it in the oven, and you got a nice, tender apple pie. You know, apple pie, you ever had apple pie when the apples are still hard and flavorless? No, I'm going to show you how to do real, authentic apple pie. When you cook those apples and caramelize them down, and then you put them in the pie shell and bake it off, absolutely amazing. So I'm going to show you that. I got creme brulee coming up. Creme brulee is a classic of dessert. If I ever go to a restaurant and see creme brulee on the menu, I'm going to order it. I absolutely love creme brulee. It is so easy to make and it's so fancy, and people don't realize how easy it is to make creme brulee. So I'm definitely going to have creme brulee. I'm making that. My brown sugar honey glazed ham. That's one of the most popular videos and popular items that I do for Christmas. Nothing like a honey bourbon, not bourbon, brown sugar honey glazed ham, and show you how to just base your ham and little by little, and you come out, you got this nice sticky glaze on your ham, and it's so delicious. You won't go to honey baked ham ever again once you see my brown sugar honey glazed ham. I got my kitchen sink cookies where I put about 20 items in this cookie, y'all. I don't even have the whole list, everything go in it, but I call them my old school kitchen sink cookies. It's another popular recipe and a popular one with my friends and neighbors and relatives because you got everything in the cooking. You can't even guess everything in it. And then I do it every Christmas called my kitchen sink, everything but the kitchen sink cookies. My toppy that we created over 30 years ago at the job I recently retired from. And it's just regular toppy with, with sugar, corn syrup, butter, and sliced almonds, and then you coat it in pecans and the milk chocolate. Absolutely amazing toffee. I'm gonna share that recipe with you. Very simple, very easy recipe. My cranberry white chocolate cookies. Cranberry white chocolate chunk cookies. Absolutely amazing. My neighbors love it. You gotta have cranberries. Just scream Christmas is cranberries. So I got a cookie that has cranberries, white chocolate chips in it, and it's an absolutely amazing cookie. So I'm gonna have that coming up. My brie cheese en croûte. You gotta have the brie cheese. I love brie cheese with the not raspberry with marmalade topping on top. And you wrap it in a puff pastry and bake it and let it get. It is absolutely amazing, y'all. And serve with not club crackers, but any kind of fancy crackers. You want to go old school, you can put Ritz, but you're gonna go fancy on the crackers. But I'm gonna do a brie cheese en croûte. Also, I'm gonna do a fried mac and cheese with a nice dipping sauce. You take mac and cheese, you cook it, bake it, let it sit up overnight, let it firm up. You cut them out in squares, you bread them with flour, egg, Japanese breadcrumbs as you fry them, and then you serve them as an appetizer. It is absolutely amazing. Fried macaroni and cheese bites. Absolutely, you got the creaminess of the macaroni and cheese and the crispness on the outside with Japanese breadcrumb, and then you get your nice dipping sauce, a secret dipping sauce. I'm gonna show y'all later. You will die for. It's the best. You never eaten macaroni and cheese like this, y'all. And it's perfect for Christmas, especially your Christmas party. I'm gonna do that as well. Crab cakes, jumbo lump crab cakes. You gotta have that every Christmas. Christmas to me just scream real crab cakes. So that'll come out one Friday morning on my seafood segment that I have every Friday. We definitely got to do crab cake. Brown pecan pie. Brownie pecan pie. This is another favorite popular dish that I do every Christmas. Brownie pecan pie. I'm not a chocolate fan, but the brownie pecan pie that I does for every Christmas is absolutely amazing. My neighbors, friends, and co-workers used to love it. So that's coming up too later on next month. Prime rib, got to do prime rib. Medium rare prime rib. If you don't like medium rare prime rib, don't watch the video because that's the only way I eat prime rib. Medium rare, maybe medium, but to me, I want it rare to medium rare. That's where I eat my prime rib, and that's where I'm gonna show y'all how to make it. I just don't want you to go out and pay $100 for a piece of meat and you cook it to a Vivian till it's well done and dry. It doesn't make sense. Don't buy a prime rib if you're gonna overcook it like that. Just don't do it. It's not worth your money. So I got prime rib coming up. Also, I got beef stew coming up. What to use that leftover prime rib for? I'm gonna show you a real hearty beef and vegetable stew to use up if you got any left prime ribs left over, and I'm gonna show you that. That's another popular video. Peanut brittle. Gotta have peanut brittle for Christmas, right? And I got an easy recipe for peanut brittle. Very simple, very easy. My auntie loves it. My auntie absolutely love it. She took all the peanut brittle left, and I had it, put in little cryovac bags, and I give it to my neighbor. My auntie loves it. So yeah, I got to put my peanut brittle recipe up there. Smoked salmon spread. This one come up on the live, and I'm definitely gonna do this. I never shared this on my videos before, but we definitely gonna do a smoked salmon spread. I love smoked salmon. You give me some smoked salmon spread with some cream cheese on a bagel, and put me some red onions on there, some chopped red onions, some chopped eggs, and some capers. I am in heaven, y'all. I love smoked salmon, especially if you make it in a spread. So I'm definitely gonna be doing that. Stuffed chicken breast. I'm gonna stuff it with brie cheese and spinach. I'm gonna take a chicken breast. We're gonna put a pocket in it. We're gonna stuff it with sauteed, real flavorful sauteed spinach. We're gonna put some brie cheese in there. We're gonna bread it with Japanese breadcrumbs. We're gonna put it in the oven, finish it off. We're gonna make a nice lemon butter sauce for it. Put it on the side. You're gonna slice the chicken. And you'll see that nice cheese in there with the spinach. Absolutely amazing. Very popular recipe. Very popular dish at where I retired from too. It looks very decadent. Look like you spent all day in the kitchen doing it, but it's very simple to do. So we definitely gonna do that. Stuffed flounder with asparagus and hollandaise sauce. That's one of my favorite. I gotta see if I can find a nice thick piece of flounder. It's very simple, y'all. I'm gonna make a crab cake stuffing. We're gonna put the flounder, stuff it in the flounder, put it in the oven. Gonna make some nice jumbo asparagus. We're gonna make a nice thick hollandaise spread on that, and we'll make probably a dill sauce or something to go with the flounder as well. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. That's a nice dish to serve for Christmas as well. Cherry cheesecake is very popular for Christmas time. I don't know why I do it every Christmas, and the video is very popular. Regular cheesecake puts cherry topping on top is very, very popular, so I'm gonna squeeze that in also. Chocolate lava cake. This is something I fell in love with on the Carnival cruise ship. I don't eat chocolate, but I love chocolate lava cakes. Don't ask me why. I always have. At the job I retired from, the pastry chef there used to make the best of them. I used to eat 2 or 3 of them at a time. Molten lava cakes. You cook the cake. You slightly undercook it, where you cut into it and it oozes out the middle of it. I'm gonna show y'all how to do them flawlessly, how to make them, and you can serve them at a Christmas party. And some people serve them with bourbon ice cream. That's why we used to do it at my old job. But I don't want no ice cream with it. Just give me the cake just like that. And I absolutely love it. So I'm going to show y'all how to do that. Duck dressing. This tradition with me, ever since I was knee high to a grasshopper, we had duck every Christmas. So I'll definitely be doing roast duck and cornbread dressing and show y'all how to do that. Very simple. Duck is one of the easiest things to make because you don't have to base, you don't have to do nothing. Just put a little salt and pepper on it, put it in the oven, and just let it go. You don't have to worry about it because there's so much fat in the duck that it renders and marinates itself. So it's pretty much tough. If you overcook a duck, you're really, really doing it something wrong. So yeah, I'm definitely doing that. And that'll pretty much get us through the month. And after Christmas, I'm definitely gonna be doing chitlins and my black eyed peas for New Year's also, and my famous New Year's Eve soup that I've been making this for the last 25 years for my I started making it for my friends' kids. I'll tell you the story of the New Year's Eve soup when I make it, but it's something I've been making for over 20 years. It has just regular rustic soup. It has shrimp in it. It has chicken in it. It has sausage in it. It has corn in it, potatoes, and something else in it. I forget. I don't make so many times. I don't forgot. But it's a real rustic soup, It's made for the New Year's Eve when, and most time New Year's Eve is nice and nippy and cool outside when you're watching the fireworks. That's how I created it. And you eat it with cornbread or you eat it with Ritz crackers. So that's something I'm gonna do after Christmas as well. So I'm very excited, y'all, with the Vlogmas. Y'all stay tuned. Every day you're gonna get one of these videos out. And we're gonna be working trying to get it. The first week of January, y'all ain't gonna see me. I'm going somewhere. I might go to Vegas. I'm gonna be worn out. Last month was really busy with Thanksgiving videos, and soon you get with Thanksgiving. Here we go with Vlogmas videos, Christmas. So I'm excited to be doing this, and I hope y'all enjoy it and share my videos because I'm putting in a lot of. It's a lot of hard work to do this. And other people that's doing Vlogmas videos too that you follow. Make sure you thumbs up them videos. Not only mine, but you see other channels they're doing. Thumbs up and share them and like the video. It's a lot of hard work. It's not easy what individuals are doing to come into your homes every night, homes, cars, or however you watch it every night to do these videos. It's very difficult to do it, and I love it. I wouldn't take it no different to do it. So y'all can tell when the cameras in action go on when I start videos, it's very authentic way I feel. I enjoy cooking for y'all. So anyway, I just want to get that video out to y'all so y'all know what's going on, what is Vlogmas, what to expect, what foods is coming out, and like I say, and y'all know kind of the what upcoming. So anyway, let me close the video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and Old School Soul Food. Don't forget TikTok and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023. Just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.